Okay, so here is where I am at right now. It's been a couple days. I got all of the furniture back in the room, but I do not have the crafts back in the room, as you can tell. Um, I put my desk together. I did have this Alex drawer unit before, and in order for me to fit it under the desk, I had to take the wheels off of it. So I did that because I don't have a lot of space. So I stuck those underneath. I did bring in my iris cases and just put them under there because there's tons of space under this desk. This is the Malm desk from Ikea. I know that sounds weird. M-A-L-M. And this piece here slides in and out, but with the Alex drawer underneath it, it's not going to slide. I wanted to keep it out all the time anyways. It fits perfectly in this space. And then I have my little embellishment shelves to put back up there. And then the centerpiece, this idea I got from Crazy Paper Crafting Chick, I think. I will link it down below. I have watched her video a couple times and it's in one of my favorites, so that I do remember. So her desk she made, it's supposed to be a standing station, so it's not quite yet complete. Used 2 of the 2x2 Calyx units, and then this is a Linman desktop, and then there are little legs here that are going to go on the desk, and there is another Linman desktop, it's just downstairs right now, that's going to go on top, and that's going to make it higher and also give me a little bit of storage space in between for like my cutting mats and stuff like that. Now I do have these 2 Alex drawers. One is facing this way, one is facing the other way, and they were not supposed to go under there. I had wanted them to go under here, but they don't fit, so they're under here. Which is okay because this is meant to be standing station anyways. So, and then over here we have the 2x4 Calyx on its side. I have the pegboards put up. They are very cool. And then I have my tall Alex drawer. And as you can tell from the kind of yellowish tone, this is my old bookcase that I had. And you can also tell by the size, look at that gap there. It is a little bit bigger, which is very frustrating because I wanted this to be a nice clean line. But that's all right. I'm not going to go buy a new bookcase just because it's a little bit yellow and a little bit bigger. So this is still yet to be filled in, and all the drawers too. And basically I just threw everything up there just to get it up there. So this is not where everything is going to permanently be just yet, but I thought I would give you guys an idea of the layout. There is the new Calyx 2x4 standing upright, and then another tall drawer. So I do have space on this side. I moved my little drawers. Those were in my old bookcase. I put them on this side. Cheesecake's little cat bed is in there. And so I can still walk over here. And the intention is that Jonathan and I are both going to be able to work. And there's my new carpet too. It's just one of those little rubber kitchen mats. But the idea is that Jonathan and I can both sit at this desk across from each other or stand at the desk and work. So I might get him a stool. We'll see. And then the closet, let me just open it up. Ta-da! The closet was able to fit one of my bookcases in there just to put stuff that I don't want to see. And then the little black drawer unit is an old one from Ikea that used to be under my old desk, and that just fits in there perfectly. And then my bins with there's Christmas ribbon and yarn is in those bins. So, and that's just mostly my husband's stuff up there, but I also have some picture frames and pop vinyls and stuff. Yeah, so I'm hoping to get everything in here. Fingers crossed that it will fit, I hope, and get everything decorated, and then I will have one final room tour for you guys. So this is just a little bit of an idea to get you guys started. Oh, there's my new 360 tower from scrapbook.com. It's awesome. I don't have the extra shelves in it yet because I'm not really sure what's going to go in, so I didn't want to just throw them in there willy-nilly. But on the top, I have the new domed foams with the handles. So I have 8 handles now, and they all fit in there perfectly. And then I have all my little inks and my re-anchors. So we'll see. I'm not sure what's going where yet. And then I did pick this up at Yisk or Jizik, whatever you want to call it. This is just a little wall shelf that I picked up that I thought was pretty, that I'll find a place on the wall to put it and put something into it. Yeah. So I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you for coming along on this journey with me. And I'm not sure when the final video will be done, because this is a daunting task, getting everything back in here. Basically, I go into the other room, open the door, and just kind of hem and haw and say, what should I carry today? Because I really don't know what to bring in and where to put it. So we will see. All right, so leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.